Imagine this. You're on a road trip with your Tesla, cruising along a beautiful highway when suddenly you notice a tire pressure warning light. It's inconvenient, right? Well, with a portable tire inflator, it doesn't have to be. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and accessories for your Tesla. Today, we're diving into why every Tesla owner needs a portable tire inflator. Did you know that properly inflated tires improve your Tesla's range and performance? Underinflated tires not only wear out faster, but also reduce your vehicle's efficiency. With Tesla's focus on sustainability, maintaining your tire pressure isn't just about safety, it's about maximizing your car's potential. So what makes this tire inflator perfect for Tesla vehicles? Let's break it down. Compact design, fits easily in your Tesla's frunk or trunk. Digital accuracy, displays real-time pressure readings. Automatic shutoff, prevents overinflation. Multi-vehicle compatibility, works with all Tesla models, from Model 3 to Model X. Fast inflation speed, gets the job done in minutes. Using the inflator is simple. 1. Plug it into the 12-volt socket or USB port in your Tesla. 2. Attach the nozzle to your tire valve. 3. Set the desired pressure on the digital screen. 4. Hit start and watch it work its magic. 5. Once done, the inflator automatically shuts off. No guesswork needed. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or tackling your daily commute, this portable tire inflator is your go-to solution. It's lightweight, easy to store, and always ready for action. Plus, it ensures your tires are in top shape, no matter the season. Tesla owners love this inflator for its reliability and ease of use. Sarah from California says, "This device saved me during a long trip. Compact, efficient, and a must-have for any Tesla owner." Meanwhile, James from Texas adds, "It's a small investment for peace of mind on the road." So, there you have it, a simple, affordable solution to a potentially stressful situation. A portable tire inflator is not just a tool, it's a safety net for your Tesla adventures. If you're ready to add this must-have accessory to your Tesla toolkit, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow Tesla enthusiasts. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged.